Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing how to make these lovely textured dishcloths with you. It is a quick one-row repeat and I'm sure you will enjoy making it with me. If you would like the free written pattern, don't forget to check out the link left in the description box below. Now let's take a look at what supplies we need to make these dishcloths. To make this dishcloth, I used Lily Sugar and Cream 100% cotton yarn, which is a size 4 worsted weight yarn and a 4.5 millimeter G hook. You will need around 100 yards of this yarn to make one dishcloth. So gather your supplies and let's get started. To start, first make a slip knot and chain 34. That is a multiple of 4 plus 2. Once we have chained 34, we will start working row 1. To begin row 1, we will be working 4 stitches into the second chain from our hook. This is the first chain and this is the second. Into the second chain, we will be working a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. While working into the chains, go under 2 loops and not 1 loop to avoid leaving holes in your work. So when you insert your hook, you should have 2 loops on the top like that. So let's begin working the first few stitches into the second chain right there. Go under 2 loops and work first a single crochet stitch, then a half double crochet stitch, then follow it up with 2 double crochet stitches. So that completes our first repeat. Now skip the next 3 chains. The first chain right here will be squished, so make sure you count that one. 1, 2, 3, skip those, and into the fourth one, work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. Again, go under 2 loops and not just 1. Single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. Now skip the next 3 chains. The first squished one right after this repeat, 1, 2 and 3, and into the fourth one work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. Again, go under 2 loops of the chain, work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. Keep repeating this sequence, that is, skip the next 3 chains and into the fourth work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet. Keep repeating that until you have just 4 chains left at the end, and I'll come back and show you how to finish round 1. I have now reached the end of round 1 and I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 chains left.
So I will skip the next 3 chains, the first squished one and the next 2, and into the very last chain I will work a single crochet stitch to end row 1. Again, go under 2 loops. So that brings us to the end of row 1. Now to begin row 2, chain 1, turn your work into the very first stitch right at the base of your chain 1, work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches right into that very first stitch at the base of your chain 1. So work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. Now skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the next stitch work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, skip those, and into the next stitch work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. Now skip the next 3 stitches and work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet into the next. You're actually working into the single crochet stitches of the previous row, and the single crochet stitches are the ones in that valley right there, the tiny stitch here in the valley between these ridges. That is the single crochet stitch. So you skip 3 stitches and work into the single crochet stitch. Work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. Again, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. A single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches. Now keep repeating that all the way to the end until you have 4 stitches left, and I'll come back and show you how to end row 2. I have now reached the end of row 2 and I have only 4 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th stitch is slanting and on the side. To end row 2, skip the next 3 stitches and work a single crochet into that stitch slanting on the side. 1, 2, 3, skip, and into the very last stitch work a single crochet to end row 2. Now to begin row 3, chain 1, turn. Every row from now on will be a repeat of row 2. I will work one more row with you so that you can learn. So chain 1 and turn, and now work a single crochet, a half double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches into the very first stitch. This is your chain 1, and this stitch right at the base of chain 1 is your first stitch. Into that work a single crochet, a half double crochet, and 2 double crochet stitches. So that completes our first repeat. Skip the next 3 stitches and into the next stitch work a single crochet, a half double crochet, and 2 double crochet stitches. Skip the next 3 stitches and into the next work a single crochet, a half double crochet, and 2 double crochet stitches. Keep repeating that all the way until you have 4 stitches left, and I'll come back and show you how to end the row. I now have only 4 stitches left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This time the last stitch is on top and it's not very slanting, so skip the next 3 stitches and work a single crochet into the very last stitch to end row 3. So that brings us to the end of row 3. Now keep repeating this row until your dishcloth is a nice square shape, and come back and join me and I'll show you how to weave in the tails. Now my dishcloth is almost a square, and I'm going to skip the last 3 stitches and work a single crochet into the very last stitch to end the last row. And now I will pull the yarn through the last loop to fasten off. Trim the yarn, leaving around 6 to 8 inches. Now we will weave in the beginning and the ending tails. For that, take a yarn needle, thread the tail through the yarn needle and weave it back and forth along the edge. I like going through the edges so as not to disturb the stitch pattern in the middle. So insert your hook in and out through the stitches. Don't leave big gaps like that because it's going to show. So always come in and out at very close points. And work your way back. You can go one more time if you want in the reverse direction, but I'm going to stop at 2 and pull and trim my yarn close to the dishcloth. Now repeat the same with the other tail. Go along the edges when you weave it in and go back and forth 2 times or 3 times to complete your dishcloth.